Hello everyone, I am presenting to you a very late video, but you know, the holidays are not over. To let you all know, this is not really a tutorial, more so like inspiration, because I kind of just do whatever the heck I want to do in this video. What we are doing is making ornaments, I guess, out of scrap fabric, just like, yeah, scrap fabric. And as you could see in the beginning of the video, I just grabbed anything that kind of gave me Christmas vibes, and then I cut out a shape I liked. I mostly made trees, I guess. I'm sorry, I really am so awkward talking into videos, but yeah, I just really made shapes until I got something, kept adding fabric until I liked it. And I do show you a few examples that kind of just like are a little different. Then after I was finished, I added a solvay on top of it. You don't need to do that, but I thought it's easier just so I can like obviously be able to embroider it and the fabric not go all over the place. But yeah, I mostly just made trees. I think this is a very neat idea for family or friends, just because, I don't know, it's cute, it's effortless, but also a little effort, not gonna lie. And it's super fast to do if you kind of just want something cute for your family or friends without having to run out and do something crazy. Also, plus you're using up your scrap fabric, which is kind of cool. If I had more time, I probably would have put like more effort into these, but just like this video, I was also running out of time in making these. But yeah, just add any fabric you want. I really like texture, so I like adding anything, like as much as I could. While placing it on, I used a embroidery like foot for my sewing machine, because on my sewing machine, because you know, that was fast. But you can definitely like hand embroider it, because that's also cool. I probably would have done that too, but yeah, time is essence. That's what it looks like. And then I placed like a thick layer in between and then a fabric on the back. You can use anything. I just had like this sheer fabric. I don't know where it came from, but I've been hoarding it. I think it's like from the dollar store. To tie it up, I used ribbon just around my house and just took a length I liked and sewed it down. And you can sew it like in a loop, or you can sew it how I did it, which was leaving the two ends loose and then tying a bow. And then I just, you know, sewed it up into a square, tied that bow, and that was it. And this is mostly really just inspiration, because you can do anything with this. The possibilities are endless. I did, though, actually place these on cards instead of like buying cards, and instead of just like having like, I don't know, a drawing, I kind of just used the ornaments as the card itself and like placed it on there in a nice way, and then wrote in that it was like a decoration. Alright, now here is the final reveal. For watching. I know this video is very like fast and I don't know, not really a tutorial, and just like I am making this video super fast, and you know, I'm running out of time. Life is fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys in the New Year's. I can't wait to make more videos, and I'm glad that you all are here to watch me do whatever this is. But once again, thank you, and happy holidays and happy New Year's. See you!